In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our Easy Chat product to text with your customers one-on-one. If you're in your dashboard, you go over here to the left where it says Easy Chat, which is how you would communicate with your customers. But first you need to set up a textable number. So head over to Keywords and Textable Numbers, and you'll see Keywords right here, and you're going to go to Textable Numbers to set one up. Once you're on this section, you click Add Phone Number, the big green button, and you can search your area code or local nearby area codes. I'm going to search 949. I'm going to choose one that I like, and then you just click the big green Purchase button to purchase that as your number. So you can see that's really simple to set that up in your account. And then when you want to chat one-on-one with your customers, which you know your customers love chatting via text, it's making their lives so much easier, you're going to go over here to the Easy Chat feature. This is set up just for those of you who are going to be using textable numbers. You can also, if you have a landline, you could set that up to be a textable number through our service. So you'll see over here on the left-hand column is going to be like your inbox, just like your email. It's going to show your various chats. I only have one in here. And if you want to create a new conversation, that's going to be right at the top. If you wanted to do that, you would just click here, you would enter your contact's number, and who it's from is your number, and then you just type your message in here. You can personalize it, you can use a template, you can make it an MMS and add media, and all you do is send it. It's very, very easy. XXX, send your message, and off it goes. So that was part of a message stream that I already had going, but if you click into one and you want to continue the conversation, all you do is click into the message that you want, and then you can reply and they can reply to you. You can send them links, you can send them photos, you can send them whatever they need in your text conversation. So it's really simple, it's very usable, it's friendly for your customers, and it's a great way to communicate with your audience.